Here, this is the Samsung Galaxy A54, by far one of the best mid-range phones that you can by far one of the best mid-range phones that you can currently. So right here, this is the Samsung Galaxy A54, by far one of the best mid-range phones that you can currently get. So if you're looking for something that can keep up with today's standards, but you don't necessarily want to break the bank, this is an excellent option. So as you can see right here, it's got a 6.4-inch OLED display that looks absolutely incredible. It gets extremely bright, so even if you're outdoors in direct sunlight, you're going to be able to see the screen with no issue. It also has a 120 Hertz adaptive refresh rate, which means everything is going to be smooth when it comes to navigating on the screen. It's not going to lag or anything of that nature. You have 128 gigabytes of onboard storage. However, the storage is expandable and it supports micro SD cards up to 1 terabyte. So you can very easily increase your storage by using an SD card. You also have 6 gigabytes of RAM, which gives you plenty of processing power, definitely enough for most daily activities. Now, as far as security, you do have a built-in fingerprint sensor and it works very, very fast. So we'll show you here really quick. Stick my thumb on there and it automatically unlocks. And you also have the option of face unlock as well, if you prefer to use that. Now on the side, you can see you have your power button as well as your volume rocker right there. On the bottom, you've got your Type-C charging port as well as your speaker. And you also have a small speaker on the top as well. So it is giving you stereo sound, which is nice. You get sound that comes from the bottom as well as from the top. Over on the back, that's where you can see your cameras. And this actually features a 50 megapixel main camera that gives you some really good photos. You're also getting 4K video up to 60 frames per second. Now, in addition to the 50 megapixel main camera, you also have a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera and a 5 megapixel macro camera. Now, as far as the selfie camera, that is a 32 megapixel punch hole camera that you can see towards the top of the display. So it doesn't interfere very much with the display at all. Now, as far as battery life, this features a 5000 milliamp battery that gives you incredible performance. So you can easily get through a full day's use using this phone. Now, if you're doing very labor intensive activities, gaming, taking a bunch of video, expect your battery life to reduce. But as far as normal daily use, you can easily get through a full day. And when it is time to charge, it does support 25 watt fast charging. So really quick, I just want to talk about the overall materials and just how the phone feels in the hand. It feels very premium, definitely on the level of some flagship phones even. So even though it's considered a mid-range phone, the materials feel top notch. So you're not sacrificing there at all. It's very smooth. On the back, it's got like a glass finish. You can see your cameras there along with that Samsung branding. And overall, it feels absolutely amazing inside the hand. So again, if you want something that's going to give you exceptional performance, great quality without breaking the bank, this is by far one of the best